Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. Sorry. My dear students, today we will complete exercise 2.3 and this is our last math, question number 29, and this is a creative question. So I think the last classes I gave you this one as a homework. Just I got only 10 copies. I think this one is difficult to you. That's why you maximum student didn't submit this homework. So inshallah today I will discuss this question again. Then we will come back to our regular work. So my dear students, let me know the top line of the board, right side, left side, lighting, sound quality, board diagram. Is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Please do comments. Let me review the question. Basically, this question is connected with exercise 2.1, 2.2 and finally 2.3. By using these three exercises, you have to answer this question. So, without knowing 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, you cannot complete this question properly. So, let me explain first the question. What are the requirements here? In my last few classes, I have said maximum students, you are trying to submit your homework from different site and group as well as from your timeline. So, if you use the hashtag triangular Kamal, it may be easy to review your copy as early as possible. So, let's review the question here. My dear students, give attention to me. And before doing this math, you have to know what requirements are given here and what you have to do. The first one here, Alif can complete a piece of work in 20 days. Khalid can complete the same work in 30 days. So Alif is definitely stronger than Khalid because Alif needs only 20 days to complete the work. When Khalid tried to complete the same work, he needs 30 days. Definitely we can say Alif is more stronger than Khalid. That's why their daily earning is also different. Their daily wage 500 taka and 400 taka respectively. Alif daily gets 500 taka and Khalid gets 400 taka because Alif is more stronger than Khalid. That's why their income is also vary. Now, but after working 3 days together, Khalid complete the rest work. Definitely, Alif and Khalid, they are not same in energy and working capability. That's why Alif started with Khalid in the same work. After 3 days, they are doing work. First day, second day, and third day. Together they are doing work. Alif, Khalid, Alif, Khalid, Alif, Khalid. After 3 days, Alif left the work. After 3 days, Mr. Alif left the work. Then Khalid trying to complete the work. So, my dear students, this is information here. Alif and Khalid, if you write Alif, Khalid, Alif, Khalid, Alif and Khalid, together they have started to complete the work. If they individually try, Alif needs 20 days and Khalid needs 30 days. But they decided to work together. But after 3 days, First day they work together, second day they also work together, and third day they also work together. After 3 days, somehow Mr. Alif left the work. Then Khalid is trying to complete this work alone. This is our information. Now, the first question, what part of the work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? How much work they have done in one day? The first question, what portion of the work they have done? If they individually do the work, Alif needs 20 days, Khalid needs 30 days. If together they do the same work in one day, how many portions of the work will be done by them? This is the first question. What part of the work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? Then second question, how many days did the work get finished? Alif and Khalid together started the work and they done 3 days. But after 3 days, Mr. Alif left the work. Now Khalid is trying to complete the work. Then how many days? Together they have done 3 days. Then the rest work will be done by Khalid. Then total how many days they can complete the rest work? And then finally, they individually complete 5/16 part of the whole work. And then what will be their wages, income, and what is the ratio of their income? I think question is clear to all of you. If they complete 5/16 portions of the work, and you have to find the days, how many days Alif can do this portion work, in how many days Khalid can do same portion of work, and their daily income is also given here, 400 and 500. Then find the income ratios. And this is our question. So my dear students, question is very clear to all of you, I think. Now we are going to start answer. What portions in one day? So first of all, you have to find each day work of Alif and Khalid. Then we will add them. So solution, question number A, or we can write here solution of A in one day Alif. So in 20 days, Alif do one work. So in one day Alif do 1/20 work. Similarly, in 30 days Khalid do one work. So in one day or each day Khalid do 1/30 works. So together in one day, so in one day together they can do in one day together they can do 1/20 plus 1/30 work. So take the LCM of 20. You can find the LCM here, the right side, 20 and 30. Definitely 2, 10, 15 and 5 to 3. 3 to the 6, 5 6 the 30, 30 to the 60. 3 plus 2 what? That is 5 by 60. Question what? Equal 1 by 12 what? Answer 1 by 12 what, or 1 by 12 portion. You can write here. So my dear students, what part of work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? So 1 by 12 part work will be done by them in each day. I think is it clear to all of you? Each day Alif work, in one day Khalid work. So if they do together in one day, their work will be sum of two fraction. Their final result is 1 by 12. So I think this first question number 8 is clear to all of you. If you have any question, please do comments, or you can write here yes or done. We are going to start second question. It's too much important. These creative questions you can apply in your next classes 7 and 8. Similar question you have to answer. So my honest request to all of you, my dear students, give attention and try to avoid irrelevant comments. Just focus on it. Now give attention to question number B. This is another most important question. And here B number question is most important than question number C. It's very much standard question from C. So from this information, just you can see together they do 3 days. After 3 days, Alif left the work. Just they started work. After 3 days, Alif left the work. But if they do together in one day, they can complete 1 by 12 portion of work. They have done work together in 3 days. Definitely this information will be required in doing number B. Okay. Now question solution. We can start it here. Solution, question number B. In one day, just write from the question A, in one day together they do 1 by 12. Together they do 1 by 12 portion work, or you can directly write 1 by 12 work. How many days they have done the work together? 3 days. So in 3 days together they do 1 by 12 multiply 3 portions work equal 1 by 4 portion work. So 1 by 4 portion work. If you compare this one, this is the whole work. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. And if they together they do the same work, Alif and Khalid, after 3 days, they can complete total 1 by 4 portions. This is also 1 by 4, this is also 1 by 4, this is also 1 by 4, this is also 1 by 4. Like total we see here 4 portions. And if they do together 3 days, within 3 days they can complete 1 by 4 portions. But now Mr. Alif left the work. Rest work, this rest work, this is called rest work. This is called rest work or remaining work. Only 1 by 4 questions they have done in 3 days. This is the technique. If they complete the whole work together, 3 days, 3 days, 3 days and 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 4 is the 12. So 12 days will be required to complete the whole work. So already we can. If I change the question, if I try to change the question, how many days will be required if together they complete the whole work? Definitely you can answer from here. 1 by 4 questions. To complete 1 by 4 questions, they need 3 days. So definitely here 3 days, here 3 days, here also 3 days, this one is also 3 days. Total 3, 6, 9, 12 days. 12 days will be required to complete the whole work if together they do the same work. Also you can start this one. 1 by 12 questions will be done in 1 day. So whole or 1 questions will be done in 12 by 1 multiply 1, that is 12 days. But now this question they have changed here. After 3 days Ali left the work. Only Khalid will complete this remaining work. This is called remaining work or rest work. Now you have to find the rest work. So we can don't need to write this one. Rest work or remaining work. Total work we always consider as 1 work. And in 3 days they have complete 1 by 4 questions. And this is called rest work or remaining part. You can write here rest work or remaining part or left questions. Taking the LCM, 4 1s are 4 minus 1 equal 3 by 4 work. This rest work will be done by Khalid because Ali already left the work. So this rest work, which is also we can see here, this is the 1 by 4 questions. So definitely 1, 2, 3. The remaining 3 by 4 questions. This left work, this work will be done by Khalid. This is called the left work will be done by Khalid. So we will start this one from the Khalid information. Now to complete 1 work, Khalid needs 30 days. So to complete 3 by 4 words, Khalid needs 30 multiply 3 by 4 days. Now divide by 2 times. This is the 15. 15 3s are 45 by 2 days. And to complete the rest work, Khalid need 45 by 2 days. If you compare, this is the total work. Just they have done this one. And here together they have done here 3 days. But this one, Khalid. They are Ali plus Khalid. But this rest work will be done by Khalid in 45 by 2 days. Now if you count the total days, together they have done 3 days, but remaining work will be done by Khalid in 45 by 2 days. So this question, how many days did the work get finished? Definitely 45 by 2 plus 3 days. Because 3 days they have done together and 45 by 2 days only Khalid done. Total days, so total required days, total required 3 plus 45 by 2 days to complete the work. Or just do simple calculation here. This is the 2 3 times 6 plus 45 days, and this is now 51 divided by 2 days, or 2 2s are 2, then 5, 25 1 days. Or if you, and this is our answer here, days. So my dear students, I think this is clear to all of you. Is it okay to you? Board diagram, is it everything okay? Yes. Question number B, our answer is also 25 half, or you can write here 25.2. I think this is clear to all of you, my dear students. If you have any question, please do comments. I will review now your comments, then I will answer as far as your demand. And if you have no question, please you can write here yes or no. We are going to start our next question. If individually they finish 5 by 16 portions, find their wage ratio or income ratio. Another information added here, they have completed 5 by 16 part of the work, and then find their income ratios. So you have to give the attention in which part their wage or income is given here. But this income of Khalid is 500 taka, and daily wage of 500 and 400. Is it 500 or 400? Yes, Ali get the 500 taka, and daily Khalid get 400 taka. Mr. Ali get 500 taka daily. Mr. Khalid gets only 400 taka. But this given work in portions, not in day. So you have to find how many days will be required to complete the 5 by 16 part work. Because earning given here daily earning, but here given the working part, how many portions of work they have done individually. So you have to find first how many days will be required to complete this one. Then each day earning 400 or 500, then the required day earning you have to find. Okay, question number C. We are going to start, my dear students. Question number C. For Ali, one work will be done in one, or whole work will be done in Mr. Ali 20 days. So 5 by 16 portions. 5 by 16 portions work. 5 by 16 portions work will be done in 20 multiplied 5 by 16 days equal 4 5 times 4 times. This is 25 by 4 days. So each day wage of Alif is taka 500. So 25 by 4 days wage of Alif is taka 500 multiply 25 by 4. So do calculation here. 5 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 10, then 5 4 5 is 20. Now do simple multiply here. 125 multiply 25, we will get here 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 comes 5, then 6. So now then 2 times 5 2 is 10, then 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, then 2 1 is 2 1 is 2. There will be 5 2 1 3. His earning is taka 3125. So Alif earning to complete the 25 by definitely 5 by 16 portions work, he need 25 by 4 days. So 25 by 4 days his total earning will be 3125 taka. Similarly you can try for Khalid. The first information Alif 3000. Okay, now we can start for Khalid. Similarly, same way you can Khalid. One work. So one work or whole portions will be done in 30 days. So definitely 5 by 16 work will be done in 30 multiply 5 by 16 days equal. Okay, we can divide this one 4. This is the 2 times 8. This 2 times 15. 5 by 16. Yes, this is the 8. 8. 5 5 is 25. 5 carry 2. 5 1 is 5. Then 75 by 8 days. Is it okay? 75 by 8 days. Now his daily earning is 400 taka. Mr. Khalid daily earning is in each day he earn 400 taka. So in at a day each day wage of Khalid is taka 400. So 75 by 8 days wage of Khalid is taka 400 multiply 75 by 8. Now 4 5 times 50 and this is 5 5 is 25 5, then 5 7 is 37 3050 taka. So you can write here 50 টাকা। Okay, 3,750 টাকা. I think this is the clear. Their total earning of Mr. Alif is 3,125 taka and earning of Khalid is 3,750 taka. But now give attention, what is the requirement? The requirement is not the total earning. The requirement is given here ratio of their earning. So ratio of their earning, definitely the first one will be first ratio, second one will be second ratio. So ratio of their earning, ratio of their earning equal, ratio of their earning equal, you can write here 3:1:5 ratio 3:7:50. We all know ratio is one kind of divide. 3:1:5 divided by 3:7:50. Now the last digit is 0. This is the last digit is 5. So definitely we can divide this one by 5. 5 6 are 30. Then 12, 5 2 times 10 and 5 times 25. 5 7s are 35. I think is it to you in the board diagram? Yes. This is seen in the board diagram also. Okay, now 5 7 35 5 5s are, so this is now 625 divided by 750. If we divide by 5, again we can divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, then 12, 5 2s are 10. Again remaining here 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5, 1 here, 12, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5. Similarly 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, then 0. This one is 125 divided by 150. Now directly you can divide by 25 or 5. Directly you can divide by 25. This one will be 5. This one will be 6. Directly if you divide by 25 or similarly you can divide by 5. So it will be same answer, no problem. This is the 5. This is the 6. So definitely the ratio of their earning is 5:6. And this is our final answer. My dear students, so I think you can see here board diagram. Mr. Alif and Khalid earning is 5:6. Okay, my dear students, I think you have seen this question properly. Let me review this question again. It's also the important part here. This question from 2.1. Already I have done this one by one lecture. You will get here up to 5 content. We have completed exercise 2.1. So before doing this math, you have to read the question carefully and then give attention given information. And what is the requirement here? The requirement here, their earning ratios, not total earning. Find their earning ratios. So what information are given? Their daily earning is given. Mr. Alif get 500 taka daily. Mr. Khalid gets 400 taka daily. But is there total earning ratios? No. If they complete individually 5/16 part, what? definitely this is not the requirement. Find their total earning ratios. Just if they complete 5 by 16 question work, what will be their total earning? What will be their earning ratios? Just they complete 5 by 16 question work. So for separate, this is information for Alif, this information for Khalid. In one work or whole work will be done in 20 days. Definitely 5 by 16 questions work will be done in 25 by 4 days. This is working day of Mr. Alif. Each day he get 500 taka. Each day he get 500 taka. So 25 by 4 days he will get 3125 taka. Similarly for Khalid, one work will be done in 30 days. Definitely this information in given question. So 5 by 16 question working time is 75 by 8 days. Definitely each day earning is 400 taka. 75 by 8 days earning is 3750 taka. This is our first information. This is our second information as far as question design. The Alif is the first one, Khalid is the second one. That's why if we find their earning, Alif divided by Khalid, this is called antecedent, this is called subsequent. And if you merge this one, erase this one, your answer will be wrong. The first information always in antecedent, second information will be subsequent. So as far as question demand, the ratio of their earning is 3125 ratio. So just doing the simple calculation divided by 2, you will get your final result 5:6. So my dear students, I think is it clear to all of you? Please do comments. If you have any question, I will review your comments. Then I will try to answer as far as you demand. Now I am going to discuss about your upcoming exam syllabus. Submit this homework. This is one of the most homework, and you can apply these types of maths in your next classes 7 and 8. So within next 2 hours, I think you will submit this homework, and don't forget to use hashtag triangular Kamal. It may be easier to filter your copy. So thank you very much to enjoy my classes. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal.